Hello everyone, welcome back to Drive Your Logic. I told you all that I will explain you few more multiplication tricks. So here I am, let's start. Okay, today I will explain few multiplication tricks based on same numbers, that is square of a number, but that should be ending with 5. So when a number ends with 5, we will find the square of those numbers. It can be 3 digit also, 4 digits also. Okay, let's start. So first what we have to do, when we get this type of number, same number, just see same type of number, very easy process. 5 into 5, we will write down 25. Clear? And what is the number in tens place? That is 1. So what we will do? 1, we will take 1 and we will multiply with the after number of 1, that is 2. So 1 into 2, answer is 2. So here is our answer. So we can write down 225 is the answer. Okay, it's very easy. Second one, same, 25 into 25. So 5 into 5, we will write down 25. Clear? Then 2's after number is what? 3. So 2's after number is 3. So 2 into 3, 6. So your answer is 625. Okay? Then 35 into 35, same, 25. 3's after number 4. So 3 into 4, how much? 3 into 4, 12. So this is the answer. Then 5 into 5 again, 25. 11's after number is what? 11 after number is 12. 11 into 12. We have used the last process. You can use that process of multiplication. 2 into 1, 3. I hope you remember last day I have taught this one. 2 into 1, 3. 1 into 1, 2 into 1. That is 2 into 1, 2. 1, 32. Okay. So 1, 3, 2. Clear? Then 5 into 5, again 25. 4's after number is how much? 5. So 4 into 5, 20. You can take more numbers. For example, you take 85 into 85. So how much? 25. 8 into 9, 72. Clear? I hope it is easy. So this goes for square of any number ending with 5, or you can tell same number with last digit 5. Okay, the single digit one we all know, 5 into 5. So nothing to worry, 5 into 5 is 25. Okay, then 1's place, 2's place, like this you can do it. So this goes for 5 multiplication. Okay, now come the trick for this one. This is very interesting. Okay, we will multiply this type of number. What type of number? Can you all tell me? This number is nearest to 100. So we will multiply those number which are nearest to 100. Okay, so what we can do? 96 is nearest to 100. What is the difference between 100 and 96? 4. So write down the difference. How to do? Okay, 95 and 100 difference is how much? 5. I hope you are understanding this one. Means 100 minus 96 is 4. 100 minus 95 is 5. So how to write the answer now? Please concentrate. 4 into 5, that is 20. We will take always 2 digits. If your answer comes in single digit, that time you write down 0 and the single digit. Okay, so 4 into 5 is 20. Now for less than 100 number, we need to subtract. What to subtract? Take any number. You can take 96 also or 95, anything. So 95 minus 4, how much? 91. So this is your answer. Or you can do this way also. 96 minus 5 is also 91. 95 minus 4 is also 91. I hope it is clear. So what I have done, first you find the difference between 100 and the given number. So I got the difference is 4 and this one is 5. So 4 into 5, you write down the answer, and then what you do, you subtract from any, this side also you can subtract, this side also, you will get 91. Both the side you check, 96 minus 5 91, 95 minus 4 is 91. So this is your answer. And remember this one, for less than 100 number you have to subtract, and for more than 100 the cross one you have to add. So let's go for this one, 95 97. So 95 difference is how much? 5. 97 3. This is 100 minus 95 I did. Okay, so 95 5 and 97 difference is 3. Okay, so what you will do, 5 into 3 15. Now any of this side you can subtract, from 97 minus 5 you can do, or 95 minus 3. So 95 minus 3 is how much? 92. 97 minus 5 is also 92. So this is your answer. I hope it is very interesting. Then next one, difference is 1, difference is 2. So 1 into 2, answer is, don't write only 2. I told you, you have to take 2 digits. Last one, you have to book 2 digits. Okay, so I have taken 2 digits. Now, what is the difference? 99 minus 2 is 97. 98 minus 1 is also 97. So here is your answer. Clear? So this goes for less than 100. Now we will see for more than 100. Same process. Find the difference. 100 and 102. What is the difference? 2. 102 minus 100. How much? 2. So you have to find the difference. In this one, 5. So 2 into 5, 10. Now you have to add. This one you have subtracted, you have to add. So 102 plus 5 is 107. This also, see, 105 plus 2 is also 107. So this is your answer. Same 11 difference. This one 2 difference. 11 into 2, answer is 22. Sorry, the last part is 22. And then you add it. 112, 111 plus 2, 113. Okay, then this one, 7, 9, 9 into 7 is 63, and then you add it, this one. So 107 and plus 9. How much? 107 plus 9. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 115. Okay? No, sorry, 116. It will be 116. I hope it is clear with you all. Okay? So you can do this type of sum, and it is very interesting and shortcut, and this all methods we generally use for MCQ or for any competitive exams. Okay, so this is for today. Thank you very much. If you like my video, please subscribe it and give a like and share it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.